We are not your average family. My name is Rachel. You know me as Yoga Girl. This is my husband, Dennis. And this little ray of sunshine is our baby girl, Lea Luna. We live in the Caribbean island of Aruba, and we travel the world teaching yoga, running our global business together as a family, mixing work with play everywhere we go. With close to 3 million followers in social media, we want to use the influence we have to make this world a better place. Welcome to our channel. Let's dive in. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's 5 a.m. and I have managed to wake up without my alarm clock. So good for me. The hardest part about waking up super early is getting out of bed, especially when you have these snuggle bugs around you. Hey, Wrinkle, you want to wake up? You want to wake up? Hey, Dennis, you want to wake up? I'm going to wake up. Starting to get a little bit of light. The moon is still up. Good morning. Did you have a good night's sleep? Mama. Yeah. Papa. Oh my God, what a ginormous poop.
Yeah, so heavy.
Yo, dressing. Nick. Mommy's making a smoothie for you. I can't help that the color looks like poop. Juice. A whole fruit salad, a big green smoothie. Thank you.
Lea!
All right, we are on our way to the studio right now. I'm gonna teach a class. It's a full house. We're excited. Are you excited? I'm super excited. Right, this is my office. I'm never late for class, but I'm always like 5 minutes later than I want to be because I make my playlist usually right before I go in and teach. So I'm gonna just grab my phone right now, put together a cool playlist for this class, and then go meet some fun people.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Oh no!
Lea Luna, sitter du? Ska mamma sitta där?
So I just taught class. It was super fun. We had a full house.
And now this little girl is here for lunch. Can you say hi? What do you want to do today? Do you want to stay at work with mommy? You want your pancakes? No.
Blåbär.
How about we eat some pancakes?
Just finished lunch with the baby. She literally ate an entire adult-sized portion of pancakes. And I had a tofu scramble, which is awesome. We make really good pancakes at Island Yoga. They're made with oats and applesauce and chia seeds, and it's just really good. Right now, I'm gonna officially start my work day. I mean, teaching yoga to me doesn't really feel like work. Work for me is when I sit down, I open my computer, or as right now, I'm about to record this week's podcast. Today I have it set up in the office. Sometimes I record at home. I shift things around depending on what my day looks like, but I have a couple of meetings here today, so I'm gonna take a couple of hours to get some work done. So wish me luck. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, testing, testing. All right, recording. Hi, and welcome to another episode of From the Heart Conversations with Yoga Girl. Thank you so much for listening to this week's episode, and I'll see you next week. Woo! All right, finished my podcast recording of the week. Who is that? Hello. Hi. Come on, right here. Come here. Corky.
Yeah, come in.
Hey, you got Papa Pig.
Oh.
Papa Pig.
Me. Dennis just put the baby to bed and we just left Island Yoga now. We're gonna go do some groceries. So there's only two major, two good grocery stores here. One is more Dutch and European inspired and the other one is very American. And we usually end up going to the European one. Tell us the fun fact.
Plastic bags are now illegal in Aruba.
Plastic bags are now illegal in Aruba. That's a really fun fact.
So you have to bring your own bags.
Did you bring our bags?
Yep.
Yep! We always forget our bags.
Yes, always. Like, wherever you are, she just disappears.
Good girl.
So this happens in Aruba all the time. This little girl looks like she was hit by a car. She has a huge limb. We're gonna take her to the vet. Good luck. Thank you. See you guys later. Bye. So yeah, this happens in Aruba all the time. It looked like she was hit by a car. She's super skinny. Her ears were full of ticks. So she's a stray, and she looked like puppy-ish, maybe 6-7 months. And I'm really glad I brought Jess to the grocery store so that she can take her to the vet. And we have our own animal rescue organization, so we know we can take care of her right away. And I gotta wash my hands. Dennis doesn't like it when I pick up stray dogs. Why don't you like it?
Because we have 104 right now.
We have 104 right now. Before I had the baby, I would literally like pick up any stray dog off the street and put them in my bed and not think twice about it. But now, I wash my hands. Okay, something important to know is that my husband hates the grocery store more than anything else, and he's already agitated. Like,
I don't want to do this list. It's way too long. Look at this shit. No one has time for that.
how are you feeling, Dennis?
That's so good.
Why?
It sucks. So much more fun things we can be doing at our time. Where'd she go?
They're so tiny. Alexa at the vet right now. I don't know how Alexa became her name, but
Okay, let's get the funk out of here.
what is it about the grocery store that makes you go crazy?
It's always hectic. It's always all the stuff that you guys want is not regular stuff.
Like
And
what?
I don't know. Like all your extracts and your oils and your nuts and food that no one ever heard of in Aruba. And then I have to go look for them. Pink Himalayan salt handpicked by virgins.
Yes. That's salt. We have had a pretty busy day so far. Got all the groceries home. Baby took a nap. I got a chance to sit down, do some emails, and then she immediately woke up. We had food, and now we're gonna go adventure. Oh. After a day of work and family and the stuff, we like to do something fun. We're heading out to what used to be the secret pool, which is now no longer so much of a secret pool because we told everyone about it.
Oh, tourists.
Tourists!
This is the ocean. That's the sand road. There are the mountains.
The mountains. Look, a mountain!
What do you think about
It says if you just ate gluten, you wouldn't be so flimsy and your inner organs would have some tissue to attach to. Over there, that's a natural bridge. Wait, stop it, stop it, stop it. Alright, Waddy doody, and I'm going to show you the natural bridge. It's the smaller one because the big one actually fell. Alright, that was it. Now I'm running back. And I gotta hold my boobs. I just got nervous because it's literally like a crazy vertical drop into shards of rock and a cave. And I forgot how scary it is. It's supposed to be super secure. It's slippery as hell. People that were here before us left their beer bottles like in the middle of the pool. It's a sanctuary. They left glass and plastic bottles here and I just can't. I don't get it. Please up after yourself. I like to buy her the chickpea or brown rice or quinoa pasta. It tastes the same with sauce, it's just has more protein and stuff. Dennis thinks it's all a punishment. Some veggie parmesan, some nutritional yeast, and I'm gonna put some olives in there for her because she loves olives. Yeah. If you drop it, the dogs will eat it, okay? Rinse them really well. Pick up. Is anyone inclined to go for a stroll? Anybody who would like to just take a little walk outside? You want to go for a walk? Where's the third one? Get ready for the most insane sound ever made by a dog. Ringo. He's gonna freak out right now. So the other two dogs, so Kila and Laika, they're really well behaved. They never run away. Ringo likes to take off, so he's the only one who has to be on a leash. Even when we walk the dogs in our street, which is a super quiet street, we live in the desert, there's nothing around, but he will like take off and run for miles. So he's always on a leash, and whenever we go outside, he makes this like shrieking, sad sound that he is like stuck on a leash because he wants to go chase the other dogs. It's very sad, but it's his own fault.
Can I have a kiss, baby? Have a good night kiss? Good night. I love you. Good night.
Most asleep. She's such a good sleeper right now.
In 2018 only. For till yesterday.
Okay, I'm gonna leave this on the stove for about, I don't know, I guess another 20 minutes and then come check on it. While I wait for my chili, I'm gonna open my computer and I'm gonna finish the work I didn't have time to do earlier today. So answer some emails and have to write the description for the podcast that comes out tomorrow that I just recorded and have some more wine. All right, I'm about to dig into this awesomeness. Let's have a taste. Oh, it's so hot. Wow. It's time for me to go to bed. Hope you're having a beautiful evening wherever you are and wishing you a restful night's sleep. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We put out new videos every Tuesday. Thank you guys for tagging along.
Bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye.